Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. I'm back with another short tutorial on how to delete your Bigo Live account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To delete Bigo Live, first make sure that you have updated Bigo Live to its latest version. Only after the update, you'll be able to delete Bigo Live account since it was not available before. Now to do so, follow the steps. Simply go to your Bigo Live application from your app list. Make sure you're signed into it and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You have opened your profile page. Now simply swipe all the way down and go to Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account Management. Swipe all the way down one more time and you'll be able to see the Delete Account button, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Since the delete account option within the app was not available in the previous version of Bigo Live, but now you can. So simply tap on delete account, and if you want to delete your account and you are sure, then you'll need to enter the account login password to verify. If you don't want to enter the password for verification, then you can choose other verification methods. Simply tap on other verification methods and you can choose the method which is phone verification. Now what happens is that you can get a verification code to your phone number. Simply tap on send to receive it and wait for the code to arrive. Simply copy the code that you received and paste it right here in verification code and tap on next button. Now you've reached to the account deletion page. Confirm to all the conditions. Go through it once and tap on confirm and continue. Wait for a few seconds, go through the information before deleting your account once, and after you have done it, tap on I have read and agreed the terms and conditions of this app. Simply tap on the circle and tap on delete account. A pop-up has appeared and it says that Bigo Live will process your application and delete the account information within 20 days. So if you need to restore your account during this period, you can log in again and follow instructions on the page to restore your account. Tap on delete account to confirm deletion. If you want to cancel, tap on cancel, and you have successfully deleted your Bigo Live account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.